Welcome to Green PMF Presentations. My name is Jeff Baker and our contact information is below. We hope you enjoy the tutorial that's about to follow.
Hello and welcome to the iMovie tutorial on transitions. iMovie is particularly good at making this quite simple, so we should be grateful to the guys who developed it for this. You can see that I've got some sample video clips here which we're just going to play around with. How about we take this one and we plop it down there as our video line, and just to make it easier for you to see, make that a little bit, change the scale there, which you can click or use on this slider. You'll find yourself using that quite a lot. Actually, it doesn't matter which editing tool you use, you tend to zoom in and zoom out a lot. And now let's have this this nice pretty picture. Let's put that up the end of it, and if we play this now, you'll see as one clip comes to an end, poof, straight into the next clip, which in most cases, my personal taste is I like things a little bit smoother than that, rather than the sudden shock. Now this again is where iMovie makes things particularly nice for us. We've got a transitions option. Now play around with these as you wish. The most popular one that I like is the crossover dissolve, which I'll show you now. And you just grab the one that you want, plop it there between the two movies, and now let's just change our timeline. So we're back here, play it, and we get a much smoother transition between the two movie clips. And that is it. It is as simple as that. By all means, play around with different ones. Let's just see. Actually, I've never played with this circle one. Let's have a look and see what that one looks like, just out of interest. Set our timeline, play, and there we go. That's quite a nice transition, isn't it? I might be using that one a little more in the future. Anyway, that's the end of our video. Thank you very much for your attention, and hopefully you found this useful. Please look out on our channel, as we're making a lot of tutorials at the moment. Our channel also supports educational videos about general computing. So if you're looking for exams and overall computing knowledge, also check out our wiki, the details of which will be coming up on some slides at the end of this presentation. Thanks for your time, hope you've enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you again soon.
I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you wish to find out more about us, you can contact us via the link below, or look at our Wikipedia. You'll find lots of other presentations and things that we're working on. Thank you for your time.